In today's competitive world of YouTube, it's getting harder and harder to grow, but there's still one powerful niche that can help you stand out and grow quickly, and that's stick figure animation. Just look at these channels. They're pulling in millions of views, and some of them are making over $5,000 a month, according to Social Blade. The best part? These videos are incredibly easy to make, and you can adapt this method to any niche, whether it's finance, motivation, self-improvement, or education. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire step-by-step process so you can start creating your own viral stick figure animations today. Let's get started. The first step is to write your script. I'm using ChatGPT for this, and here's the prompt I'll enter. Write a 30-second motivational script about self-improvement. You can modify the prompt however you like depending on your video's theme. I'll drop this prompt in the description so you can copy or customize it easily. Once you hit generate, ChatGPT will give you a complete script in just seconds. Now that we have our script ready, let's turn it into a voiceover. For voiceovers, one of the best tools is 11 Labs. It's a paid tool, but they do offer a free trial with around 10,000 credits, which is enough to get started. I've added the link in the description for you. Paste your script into 11 Labs, then browse through the voice options. You can listen to different voices and choose the one that fits your vibe.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
A single rose can be my garden, a single friend my world.
Personally, I like the Chris voice. It sounds confident and motivational. So I selected that and clicked on Generate Speech.
Every great transformation begins with a single, small step.
Once it's done, just download your voiceover file. Now that we have both the script and the voiceover, it's time to build the visuals. For that, we're using Canva, an excellent tool for content creators. Open Canva, select the video format, and choose the standard video size. First, upload the voiceover. Once uploaded, drag it into the timeline. Next, let's add a background. You can keep it simple with a light background color or search for paper background in the Elements tab. These work really well with stick figures, and many viral channels already use them. If you want something different, try searching for textures to find more unique background options. Once you've picked one, make sure to extend its timing to match the length of your audio. Now comes the fun part, adding the stick figure animations. Go to Elements and search for stick figures. Then click on Graphics. You'll find plenty of options here. To match the visuals with your voiceover, play the first part of your audio to understand what kind of action or expression you need.
Every great transformation begins with a single,
like it's about transformation. We'll want a stick figure that reflects that. Split the audio timeline at that point and search for the relevant stick figure. Here's a tip for consistency. Pick a single stick figure style you like. Then click the 3 dots on that graphic and open the creator's profile. This way, you'll find more graphics in the same style, which helps your video look consistent. Once you find the right figure, add it to the scene and increase its size if needed. Next, let's add text. Press the letter T on your keyboard to add a text box. Move it to the side and type the word transformation. I adjusted the size and picked a font called Chewy. It's bold and playful. I'll adjust the positions a little bit. After that, I changed the color to a dark red to make it pop. And just like that, the first part of our animation is ready. Now, just repeat the same steps for the rest of the script. Listen to the next section.
small step.
Split the timeline, find the right stick figure, add it, then add the matching text. Here's a tip. If your text has 2 words, try using 2 different colors. It makes the visuals more dynamic. For example, you can keep one word black and the other in red to grab attention. Now repeat it. If you find some pauses in your voiceover, split the clip and remove the gaps to keep the video smooth. I've done all the parts. One more thing. You can also get creative with timing. Let's say you want 2 words to appear one after another. Just duplicate the text element, type the first word, place it where the first text is, and set the time to match the audio.
Every great
Then add the second word and place it right after the first disappears.
transformation.
Adjust the timing slightly to sync it perfectly with your voiceover.
Every great transformation begins with a single, small step. It's not about massive leaps.
Lastly, if you want to add background music, search for something motivational. Type motivational, open audio, and listen to find the good one. If you don't like the music here, you can head over to pixabay.com. It's a great source for copyright-free music. Click on Music, search for terms like inspirational, and listen the tracks. Once you find the one you like, download it, upload it to Canva, and add it to the timeline. Drag it to the beginning and double-click to adjust where you want the music to start.
Every great transformation begins with a single.
Make sure to lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. And that's it. Your viral stick figure animation is ready. This is the final result.
Every great transformation begins with a single, small step. It's not about massive leaps. It's about showing up daily, even when it's hard. Growth lives in the uncomfortable moments where doubt whispers and effort feels invisible. But every drop of sweat, every tiny choice to keep going, is shaping the future you. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to believe that you're worth the effort. So take that step. Start today. Your potential is waiting, and it's time to rise.